Welcome to the channel, friends. Today, I'll take you on a virtual journey through one of the world's most fascinating tourist destinations, downtown Melbourne, Australia, and its famous tourist area along the Yarra River. Get ready to immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of this unique city as we explore its highlights. Melbourne, located on the southeast coast of Australia, is the capital of the state of Victoria. This cosmopolitan city is known for its cultural diversity, thriving art scene, and passion for sports, especially cricket and Australian rules football. But what truly makes Melbourne popular among tourists is its charming urban center and beautiful stroll along the Yarra River. This winding river cuts through the heart of the city and offers plenty of activities and stunning views. Now, before we dive into the wonders of the Yarra River, let me share an interesting fact with you. Did you know that Melbourne has been named the world's most livable city on several occasions? Yes, that's correct. Thanks to its excellent quality of life, outstanding infrastructure, and focus on sustainability, Melbourne attracts people from all over the world who want to live and visit this beautiful city. But let's get back to our tour. Melbourne's history dates back to the British colonization in the 19th century. It was founded in 1835 by free settlers from Tasmania and quickly became a major trading center due to its strategic location on Port Phillip Bay. As we venture into the city center, we encounter fascinating architecture that blends the old with the new. From towering skyscrapers to historic buildings like the Victorian Parliament House and Flinders Street Station, every corner of Melbourne tells a unique story. But the most exciting part is yet to come. As we approach the Yarra River, we are greeted by a mix of cultural and recreational activities. From leisurely boat cruises to thrilling bike rides along the Riverside trails, there's something for everyone. In Melbourne, a city known for its cultural diversity, you'll find a wide range of dining options that reflect the city's multicultural heritage. Here are some of the most popular foods you can try in Melbourne. Cafe and brunch. Melbourne is famous for its cafe culture, with numerous high-quality cafes scattered throughout the city. Enjoy a delicious espresso or try a classic Australian brunch featuring dishes like Eggs Benedict, avocado toast, or pancakes with maple syrup. Asian street food. Neighborhoods like Chinatown and Little Vietnam offer a wide variety of Asian street food, from Chinese dumplings to Vietnamese pho. Don't miss out on the authentic flavors of Asia as you explore these lively areas. Australian barbecue. What would Australia be without a good barbecue? In Melbourne, you'll find plenty of restaurants serving grilled meats like juicy steaks, smoked ribs, and gourmet burgers. Pair your meal with some local craft beers for an authentically Australian experience. Dining in laneways. Melbourne's laneways are filled with hidden restaurants and bars offering a unique dining experience. Explore these hidden corners and discover fine dining, tapas, sushi, and more. Hipster breakfast. If you're looking for something trendier, try one of Melbourne's hipster-style breakfast and brunch restaurants. From superfood smoothies to avocado toast adorned with edible flowers, here you'll find creative and delicious dishes that are perfect for Instagram. Craft beer and pub food. Melbourne is home to a thriving craft beer scene, with numerous local breweries producing a wide variety of unique beers. Pair your beer with classic Australian pub fare like fish and chips, schnitzel, or meat pies. One of the most popular attractions along the Yarra River is the South Bank Promenade, a lively strip filled with restaurants, cafes, and bars offering panoramic water views. Here, visitors can enjoy delicious food while watching the hustle and bustle of the city from a unique perspective. But the true gem of the Yarra River is the Crown Entertainment Complex, a massive complex housing a casino, world-renowned restaurants, luxury shops, and theaters. With its dazzling architecture and wide range of entertainment, the Crown has become a must-visit destination for tourists in Melbourne. And let's not forget about the iconic Yarra River cruises. These boat rides offer a relaxing and panoramic way to explore the city while learning about its fascinating history and highlights. In Melbourne, a city famous for its cultural diversity, traditions intertwine with the customs of its diverse residents, creating a rich blend of celebrations and events that reflect the city's multicultural identity. Here are some of Melbourne's most notable traditions. Multicultural festivals. Melbourne is known for its vibrant festivals celebrating the diverse cultures represented in the city. Events like the Melbourne Food and Wine Festival, the Full Moon Festival, Chinese New Year celebration, and Diwali, Hindu Festival of Lights, are just a few examples of how Melbourne embraces and celebrates diversity. Cafe culture. Melburnians are passionate about coffee and have cultivated a unique cafe culture around this beverage. Independent cafes are a key part of everyday life in Melbourne, where people gather to enjoy a good coffee and socialize. Sports. Sports are an integral part of life in Melbourne, and attending sporting events is considered a tradition in itself. From the Melbourne Cup, one of the world's most famous horse races, to Australian rules football matches at the Melbourne Cricket Ground (MCG). Sporting events bring the community together and foster a sense of camaraderie. Urban art. Melbourne is known for its vibrant street art scene, and colorful graffiti and murals are part of the city's urban landscape. Every street and alley offers a new opportunity to discover unique artwork and creative expressions. Markets. Markets are an important part of life in Melbourne and a tradition rooted in the city's history. From the Queen Victoria Market, offering a variety of fresh produce and local products, to night markets like the Queen Victoria Night Market and the South Melbourne Night Market, where you can find delicious food and unique crafts. Markets are popular places to socialize and enjoy local culture. Live music. Melbourne has a thriving live music scene, and attending concerts and shows is a beloved tradition for many residents. From small clubs to large stadiums, the city offers a wide variety of options to enjoy live music of all genres. Before I say goodbye, I'd like to remind you that Melbourne is much more than just its city center and the Yarra River. This bustling city also boasts plenty of parks, gardens, museums, and art galleries worth exploring. I hope you've enjoyed this virtual tour of downtown Melbourne and the Yarra River. Don't forget to share and comment on this video so that more people can discover the wonders of this incredible city. Until next time,